Hey everyone! Are you a designer looking to turn your skills into serious cash? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to make money as a designer on Fiverr, Upwork, and 99designs, the top 3 platforms where businesses are paying big bucks for creative talent like you. And guess what? I'll also share a game-changing strategy to stand out and get high-paying clients faster. So make sure you stick around till the end. Let's get into it. First things first, you need to specialize. Don't just say, I do graphic design. That's way too broad, and you'll get lost in the crowd. Instead, focus on a high-demand niche like logo design, big money if done right. Brand identity and packaging. Social media graphics. NFT art and illustrations. UI/UX design for websites and apps. Clients prefer experts over generalists, so pick 1 or 2 niches and build your brand around them. Fiverr is perfect for beginners because it's easy to start. You create gigs, which are basically prepackaged services clients can buy instantly. Pro tip: create multiple gigs with different pricing options. Basic, $10 to $20, quick logos, simple social media posts. Standard, $50 to $100, branding packages, 3 to 4 concepts. Premium, $200 plus, high-end logos, full identity design. Secret sauce. Use eye-catching thumbnails and SEO-friendly gig titles like minimalist modern logo design in 24 hours. Luxury brand identity for businesses. This boosts your chances of getting noticed fast. Upwork is where you go for big-ticket clients. Unlike Fiverr, where clients come to you, you apply for jobs here. Winning strategy. Search for projects with budgets above $500. Write a killer proposal, not generic. Offer a free concept or quick order to hook clients. Example proposal opening. Hi James, I saw your job post about logo design, and I'd love to help. I specialize in logo design and branding, and I've worked with brands like so and so. I've attached a sample of how I'd approach your project. Let's chat. If you love competition, 99designs is the place to be. Here, clients post design contests, and you submit your work to win the project. If they choose your design, you get paid, sometimes up to $1,500 per project. Quick tips to win more contests. Enter niche contests, less competition equals higher chances of winning. Submit designs early to get feedback. Stand out with unique, premium quality work. One bonus tip: after winning a contest, message the client directly and offer extra services like social media designs, business cards, or brand guidelines. This turns a one-time win into a long-term client. Now, here's the real secret to making 6 figures as a designer on these platforms: diversify and upsell. Start on Fiverr to build quick cash flow. Move to Upwork for higher paying, long-term clients. Enter 99designs contest to gain credibility. Finally, create a personal website and offer your services independently. That way, you own your client relationships instead of relying on these platforms. And that's how you make money as a designer online. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below which platform you'll try first. Also, check the description for a free design resource that'll help you level up. See you in the next one.